Now, last year it went good, but I wanted to find, a way that we could have, let's say, the instructions spread out. Mm-hmm. And so I found, and this is a really great, now I tore it apart so I could.
Because that's what you do with these books.
Well, exactly. Not only that, we had like 5 or 6 different stations. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. So I wanted to say, okay, this plane here, this plane here, this plane here, this plane here. So this is the Klutz Big Book of Paper Airplanes. And it has, let me see here, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 or 13 different types of airplanes. I don't know how well that can be seen there. Probably not real well. And it has step-by-step instructions on how to build it and information on how to fly it.
I got a great video here from Amazon showing some of the insides there for you.
And it comes with a stack of colored papers in the back.
Nice.
So I think it's like 70 papers. The kids loved it. Mm-hmm. It even gives you hints on how to fly the papers better. Mm-hmm. How does it work? So you do have the educational part kind of snuck in there too, along with the fun. But, it says 10 easy to fold airplanes. There are 40 sheets of paper. So, if you have a group of kids coming over or something like it, it's fun to do. And like I say, it also gives you information on here, like flying stunt planes, flying gliders. So if you have the different types of planes, it tells you how to fly those and indoor flight versus outdoor flight and how to get loops. Mm-hmm. So it's more than just here's how you build the planes. It's here's how to build the planes and here's how you can best fly them.
I feel like
honestly for $10.
Yeah.
That on Amazon, that was amazing.
I feel like you should have a little bit of the aero design kids involved in that, because I know we had the Grove City Baja kids involved in the jet toy STEM AWIM stuff when we were there last year. And by the way, I think I saw, am I not mistaken? I think I saw pictures of the CMU Formula car was on the Touch a Car or something, right?
I didn't make it out, unfortunately. Mm-hmm. I had to finish my normal job before I could go downstairs, so I didn't get a chance to walk around like I did last year.
Yeah.
But I can tell you that my first real aerospace engineering class, aerospace engineering down WVU is part of mechanical and aerospace, so it's MAE.
I don't think we said out loud that Podner works with SAE International, who also contracts me for video, for CDS programs and things like that. So, I just for anybody new popped in.
No. And thanks for that, Sorg. And my very first aerospace engineering course, the big project was build a glider. Mm-hmm. And it had to go, I forget, it was like 70 feet down and maintain at least a 10-foot height. And admittedly, a little more complicated than paper airplanes, but same principles, same idea. Admittedly, to get kind of the propeller, to get wing, we actually went to an airport and took measurements on prop planes that were out there. Mm-hmm. But as we call it, Morgantown International Airport. And if anyone knows Morgantown, West Virginia, you understand the joke of that. Mm-hmm. But, this is kind of the first step. You build stuff, you test it, you improve on it, and then you retest it, and then you get to your competition. Yeah. So it was a major success. I mean, like I said, the kids were absolutely loving it.
Getting them all ready for that aero design. So I actually just finished the last highlights for the aero design last week, and I couldn't believe, because it was more always the second one's more successful when you get to the advanced class. And this year in the advanced class, there's a whole thing where the plane would take off, because there's always we've seen before, like they would drop things onto a target maybe, and it had to be automated to some or remotely controlled or something like that. But it's literally, the thing goes into an automation mode, goes into a vertical lift mode, and drops down on the thing and comes back up, presumably autonomously. And so many more of them did it this time. So I'm going through all the live feed footage looking for all the shots. And it's really incredible to see it happen like over and over again. And know this is like automated stuff, So and see that's it's successful, and the students are doing this and they're putting this together, like in some ways, like it seems a little more like, it's one thing, like I feel like, I don't know if we're just too used to seeing cars being automated now that the auto drive challenge is less impressive. But like to see these guys kind of execute this, pick something up, drop it off, and then zoom off and then go land, it's pretty cool. So, and again, I don't know at what extent it's automated versus takeover too. So, but that's very, very cool. So awesome stuff happening there. Crappy, I don't know if we prepared you for an awesome thing. I mean, we did talk about your awesome new job, I guess, a little bit.
That counts as an awesome thing. But I did have a thing that that immediately came to mind. First, David, I think the brand on the paper airplane book was Klutz. I think Klutz, I saw that.
Yep.
I don't know if you guys remember this, but they used to have, and perhaps they still do, a whole line of kind of teach yourself. It's like circusy stuff, like how to juggle.
Yeah, how to juggle.
And I had bean bags.
Yep, I had a how to teach yourself harmonica.
Yes. Mm-hmm. Okay, I am not nuts. That's I was.
You're not nuts about Klutz.
Good.
Damn it.
Just I'm as a brand new marketing person, I'm impressed that you just whipped that out right there. And if there aren't Klutz T-shirts with that slogan on them.
There is a whole Klutz store, by the way, on Amazon. So
nice.
I guess you can really kind of dive in and find those stuff. What are the best sellers? Maybe that's some of the stuff that you were talking about. Oh, you got Lego gadgets. You got so they're like these specialized books you'll see. You know, like there's Legos, but it includes Legos, like in the book.
Nice.
Normally the Klutz stuff is like this, where the book is enough to do something.
Katie, how about make 30 paper starfighters from Star Wars?
Yes.
We're having an arts and crafts night. Anyways, sorry. Back to you, Crappy.
I don't want to dig too far into Chachi's territory, but my awesome thing of the week has been a thing that has been occupying my time recently, and that has to do with college football. And as I mentioned, the season is coming soon, so this is where my brain sort of switches.